Stress ramps up for nearly everyone with uncertainty, overload, conflict, poor sleep, and a sense of lost control. For detail-driven ISTJs, it often flares with last-minute changes that break commitments, unclear expectations that keep shifting, and systems that overlook clear procedures or quality standards. You'll know stress is taking the wheel when your thinking leaps from details to worst-case chain reactions, your focus scatters, and decisions feel hard to hold on to. Physically, look for jaw or shoulder tension, shallow breathing, stomach upset, and the pull toward busy work or endless research instead of taking the next small step. If you're noticing those signs, here are steps to help you move from chaos to clarity. Name the pattern out loud. Recognizing it helps interrupt its momentum. Ground yourself by splitting a page into two columns, what's confirmed on the left, what's imagined on the right, then choose one manageable action you can take in the next few minutes. Shift into structured problem solving. Set a small objective, make a simple checklist, and let the return of order calm your nervous system. In the following sections, we will build on this with steady habits, mindset shifts, and longer-term tactics that make stress less frequent and easier to recover from. Mindset shifts are small, intentional ways to shape how you interpret pressure so your stress response works with you. Think of them as calibration steps that keep your perspective aligned with facts and values before you move into action. Here are 3 that suit a structured, practical ISTJ. Gratitude. Gratitude is the choice to notice what's working and what helped make it happen, which balances a problem-solving mindset that tends to scan for flaws. It's not pretending everything is fine, it's seeing the full picture, so duty feels lighter and patience stretches further. Each evening, write down 3 things that went well and why they mattered. Keep it concrete, like a smooth process or a moment of clarity. Do this daily for 2 weeks, then look back and notice whether your mood, focus, or energy has shifted. Stress reappraisal. Stress reappraisal means seeing stress as a sign of engagement and readiness, not danger or failure. For an ISTJ, it reframes pressure as proof that the task matters and your system is mobilizing to meet it. When stress builds, pause and label it clearly, like, "My body is gearing up to handle this," then name the purpose you're protecting. Use that clarity to choose one next step you can take now, turning the energy into focused action. This leads into the final mindset shift. Values and meaning attribution. Values and meaning attribution connects difficult tasks to what you stand for, helping restore perspective when the load feels heavy. It links effort to principles like reliability, order, and responsibility, so the strain feels meaningful instead of random. Before a demanding stretch, ask, "What goal or purpose am I supporting by doing this?" and write it on your task list where you'll see it throughout the day. Let it serve as a steady prompt while you work. At the end of the day, reflect on whether your actions aligned with that purpose, and note one way to improve your approach tomorrow. Daily and weekly habits work best when they're simple, repeatable, and measurable, so they can slot into your calendar and stay off your mental to-do list. Think of them as routine maintenance for your stress system, small, steady inputs that help prevent bigger breakdowns. Here are 3 habits that match your natural ISTJ way. Low intensity, steady state exercise. Low intensity, steady state exercise includes brisk walking, easy cycling, or relaxed laps that keep your breathing steady while your body clears stress chemistry. It offers a clear start and finish, measurable time or distance, and a steady rhythm that calms focus without draining you. Pick a set time and treat it like a standing appointment, say a 30-minute walk after work or a weekend bike ride. Go with 5 minutes to warm up, 20 at a pace where you can talk in full sentences, and 5 to cool down. No phone, no multitasking. Track time or distance. Keep the goal simple, and show up even on average days so it becomes your reset. Anti-inflammatory and gut-healthy diet. An anti-inflammatory, gut-supportive way of eating helps smooth energy, support sleep, and lower background inflammation that can heighten stress. It suits a preference for consistency and long-term maintenance with stable rules and cumulative results. Standardize breakfast and lunch with balanced options like oatmeal with berries and yogurt or grilled chicken with vegetables and brown rice, then rotate dinners. Swap processed snacks for nuts, fruit, or kefir, and keep a weekly grocery checklist to simplify decisions and keep the plan steady. With a stable fuel system in place, you can add small, controlled challenges to build resilience. Hormetic stress. Hormetic stress uses short, planned exposures to mild physical challenges to help your system adapt instead of overreact. It fits a disciplined mindset because the steps are clear and the benefits build steadily over time. Choose one practice and keep it simple, like ending your morning shower with 30 seconds of cold water, or doing brief resistance sessions 3 times a week with push, pull, and squat patterns. Track consistency and duration, not intensity, and only increase after a full week of follow-through. Think of it as conditioning your system for steadier focus and stress tolerance. Long-term stress relief comes from systems you can run consistently without constant decision-making. Here are 4 practical tactics you can fold into your week to keep control and clarity when life gets noisy. Active coping. Actively coping means addressing the problem with structured action instead of avoiding it or overthinking. It suits a practical mindset and quickly brings back a sense of control and momentum. Write the exact issue in 1 sentence, then list specific actions you can take in the next 24 hours, ordered by what's within your control. Do one small step right away to shift from rumination to motion. At week's end, review, refine the list, and keep steps small and measurable so the habit sticks. Structured routines. Structured routines reduce decision fatigue and mental clutter by giving your day a clear rhythm. They build predictability and efficiency so stress stays manageable and focus stays steady. Choose 2 or 3 daily anchors like morning start, lunch break, and evening wind down, and keep them consistent. Attach minor, repeatable habits to each one to cut down on last-minute choices, adjusting only when there's a clear reason. With that foundation set, you can make space for focused restoration. Scheduled flow blocks or hobbies. Flow blocks are scheduled, recurring time for an engaging activity that absorbs your skills and attention. It's not idle time. It's purposeful focus that resets your mind while still honoring your preference for order. Set a 60 to 90-minute block once or twice a week for a skill-based hobby like gardening, woodworking, or strategy games. Treat it as a fixed appointment, silence notifications, and stay fully present. Over time, you'll notice clearer thinking and steadier patience as your mind recharges through focused activity. Social support. Social support means intentionally connecting with a few trusted people for perspective, reassurance, or practical help. Self-reliance matters, but selective connection helps prevent quiet burnout and sharpens judgment under pressure. Identify 2 or 3 steady people and keep brief, regular contact. When stressed, start with the facts, then add a bit of honest reflection, using the conversation to calibrate your thinking. For practical ideas on connecting well with others, consider watching our video on ISTJ love languages. Knowledge only helps if you use it. Even if a tip seems obvious, test it with a 2-week experiment before deciding if it works. Use simple checklists, calendar blocks, and a weekly review to gather feedback, make adjustments, and keep the plan realistic. If you want an easy starting lane, pick what already fits your strengths. The strategies most likely to feel natural are structured routines, active coping, flow blocks, and low-intensity steady-state exercise. You can round out your plan with gratitude, stress reappraisal, meaning attribution, a healthy diet, hormetic stress, and selective social support. Use each as a small system you can measure, tie to daily anchors, and review weekly so they build into lasting calm. Stress responds best to structure you control. Which tip will you try first, and how will you track if it works for you? For more insights into the ISTJ life, explore the resources linked in the video description. Feel free to check out our other ISTJ videos on the Personality Playbook channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you reach your full potential.